Welcome to our Wanderlust Explorer YouTube channel. Join us for breathtaking adventures, hidden gems, and vibrant cultures. From majestic landscapes to adrenaline-pumping escapades, we'll inspire your wanderlust. Subscribe now and let the exploration begin. Nestled in the heart of Andalusia, Spain, Granada is a captivating city that effortlessly weaves together a rich tapestry of history, culture, and natural beauty. With its stunning architectural wonders, vibrant neighborhoods, and the iconic Alhambra Palace, Granada offers a captivating journey into the past and a vibrant present. The Alhambra, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a majestic palace and fortress complex located in Granada, Spain. Its history is rich and complex, spanning centuries of cultural and architectural evolution. Moorish origins. The Alhambra's history dates back to the mid-13th century when the Nasrid dynasty, the last Muslim dynasty on the Iberian Peninsula, began its construction. It was built on the remains of an older Roman fortress and later medieval palace. The Alhambra served as a palace, fortress, and residence for the Nasrid rulers. Architectural brilliance. Under Nasrid rule, the Alhambra's palaces, courtyards, and gardens were meticulously designed and adorned with intricate stucco work, mosaics, and calligraphy. Its architectural style is a blend of Islamic art and culture, featuring elements like horseshoe arches, geometric patterns, and ornate decorations. Fall of Granada. In 1492, the Catholic monarchs, Ferdinand II of Aragon and Isabella I of Castile, captured Granada, marking the end of Muslim rule in Spain. Despite the change in rulership, the Alhambra's art and architecture were preserved, with subsequent Spanish monarchs adding their own modifications and additions. Renaissance and rediscovery. During the Renaissance, the Alhambra saw further additions and alterations, reflecting evolving architectural tastes. However, by the 18th century, the palace complex was largely abandoned and fell into disrepair. 19th century restoration. In the 19th century, the Alhambra underwent extensive restoration efforts under the direction of Spanish architect Rafael Contreras. The restoration work aimed to preserve the palace's unique architectural features and historical significance. UNESCO recognition. In 1984, the Alhambra and Generalife Gardens were designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognizing their outstanding universal value and contribution to world culture. Modern-day icon. Today, the Alhambra stands as an enduring symbol of Moorish architecture and artistic achievement. It attracts millions of visitors each year who are captivated by its stunning beauty, intricate detailing. Albayzín and Sacromonte. Wander through the narrow streets of the Albayzín, a historic Moorish quarter characterized by its whitewashed houses and breathtaking views of the Alhambra. Nearby, Sacromonte beckons with its unique cave dwellings and flamenco traditions, offering a glimpse into Granada's vibrant cultural scene. Cultural fusion. Granada's history is a blend of Moorish, Spanish, and Roman influences, evident in its architecture, cuisine, and festivals. The city's vibrant street life, bustling markets, and welcoming locals create an inviting atmosphere that's hard to resist. Tapas culture. Experience the enchanting tapas culture that Granada is famous for. With every drink, you'll be treated to a small plate of delicious food, allowing you to savor a variety of flavors as you explore the city's culinary scene. Sierra Nevada. For nature enthusiasts, Sierra Nevada National Park offers a breathtaking backdrop to Granada. Whether you're exploring its hiking trails or skiing down its slopes in winter, the natural beauty of the region is awe-inspiring. Granada is a city that captivates the soul with its historical allure, artistic treasures, and vibrant atmosphere. From the awe-inspiring Alhambra to the charming streets of Albayzín, each corner of this enchanting city tells a story that continues to resonate with travelers seeking an authentic and memorable experience.